Have you ever wished you could understand people better? Or maybe even influence them, just a little? Well, psychology has some fascinating tricks. And today, I'll share 10 that actually work in real life. Some are fun, some are shocking, and some you'll want to try right away. Let's jump in. 1. The power of silence. Here's something simple. If you ask someone a question, then stay quiet. They'll usually keep talking to fill the silence. It's an easy way to get more honest answers. 2. The door in face trick. If you want a small favor, ask for a big one first. When they say no, ask for the smaller one. It feels reasonable by comparison, and they're more likely to agree. 3. The name effect. People love hearing their own name. So, when you use someone's name in conversation, they instantly feel closer to you. It's a tiny trick, but very powerful. 4. The foot in the door technique. Start small. Ask for something easy. Once someone agrees, they're more likely to say yes to bigger things later. Smart, right? 5. The eye contact secret. Too little eye contact feels shady. Too much feels creepy. The sweet spot, about 60 to 70% of the time, that's when you appear confident and trustworthy. 6. The compliment sandwich. Want to give feedback. Start with a compliment, then add the criticism, then finish with another compliment. It softens the blow and keeps the person open to listening. 7. The chair angle trick. If you want someone to feel comfortable, don't sit directly across from them. Sit slightly angled. It feels less confrontational and more friendly. 8. The pause effect. When you pause before answering, people assume you're thoughtful. It makes your words carry more weight. 9. The reciprocity rule. Humans are wired to return favors. Give someone something small like a compliment or help and they'll feel a strong urge to give back. 10. The peak end rule. People don't remember experiences as a whole. They mostly remember the most intense moment and the ending. So, if you want to leave a good impression, end strong. So, which of these tricks are you going to try first? The silence trick? Or maybe the name effect? The truth is, understanding psychology doesn't just help with others, it helps you master yourself. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about the human mind.